Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about something pretty cool, the law of attraction. What is the law of attraction? The law of attraction is this concept that says what you think and feel can shape your life. It's like sending vibes to the universe, and the universe responds by giving you similar stuff back. Positive thinking and affirmations. One key thing is positive thinking. The idea here is that if you focus on good stuff and believe in yourself, good things are more likely to happen. We can boost this by using positive affirmations, basically, telling ourselves positive things to create a positive mindset. Visualizing your goals. Ever daydreamed about something awesome happening? That's kind of like visualizing. Picture yourself reaching your goals. It helps you stay motivated and can attract those goals into your life. Gratitude and being open. Another part is being grateful. Take a moment each day to appreciate what you have. And hey, be open to new opportunities. Sometimes good things come from unexpected places. Taking action now. It's not just about sitting back and thinking good thoughts. You've got to take action too. Set goals and work towards them. The law of attraction loves it when you're proactive. So the law of attraction is about staying positive, visualizing success, being grateful, and taking action. It's not magic, but it can be a cool way to bring more positivity into your life. Give it a try, and let me know how it goes in the comments. Remember to keep the tone conversational and engaging for your audience.